my loves, it's Frida and I'm here again with another video. If you're seeing me for the first time, hi, I'm Frida. I talk about all things skincare, all things beauty, all things lifestyle, product reviews, and so much more. If you're my MVP, my OG, my real subscriber, thank you so much for being consistent with this channel. I love you so much. You are the best. Thank you for your consistency, your love, and your patience. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel because you know that I bring you tea, real tea. Yes, so today I'll be talking about cheap brightening skincare routine that will take your skin from 0 to 100 without you breaking the bank. You don't need to spend much on this one. Cheap skincare routine that your skin will thank you later. So stay with me, guys, for this video. So you know, the country is getting hard, and then we have to find ways around this skincare thing. Our skin has to glow. We don't have to look like what we are going through in it. So yes, we don't have to look like what we're going through. So I have formulated a list of products that you can get that will just brighten your skin, glow your skin. You don't have to break the bank or anything like that, and your skin will definitely look nice. Okay, the first on my list for your bathing soap, that's for face and body because we're on a budget. Yes, because we're on a budget. So the first on my list is the turmeric and honey soap. Yes, the X7 soft 7, yes, soft 7 turmeric and honey soap. We all know this soap. This soap is effective. This soap works. It is amazing. It is good that you use it for your face and your body. It can serve as a face and body soap on the budget, girls, and it's not so expensive. Yes, so this soap works, is good. So bath soap, check. The next on my list is your body scrub. Yes, you can get this Cool Spa body scrub or the Care View body scrub. These two scrubs are price efficient and they get the job done. Chef's kiss. I love this two scrub. Like, if you're not looking for things to break the bank or anything of that sort, use either Cool Spa scrub or Care View scrub. I see a lot of people say, oh, only Cool Spa turmeric. Who are you joking with? Who are you joking with? Any of the Cool Spa scrub works wonders. So I'm not even going to be recommending the turmeric. Any of the Cool Spa scrub, they work wonders. I love it because they work for all skin types and it's super effective. They are not bad reviews on Cool Spa. It's not only the turmeric you should buy. If you see the other ones in the store, get them. They work. They are super effective. Okay, the next on my list is the Vit Gold toner. Now we're coming to the face. You know, we have a face soap which is the soft 7 honey turmeric and honey soap. Yes, it's for face and body. So now is the Vit Gold toner. Either of the Vit Gold toners, just pick which ingredient speaks to you the most. Okay, but either of the Vit Gold toner works perfectly. So Vit Gold toner for face. Okay, that is our budget friendly skincare routine. This skin must glow whether it likes it or not, whether the economy is saying yes or no. The skin must glow. So the Vit Gold toner is a nice option, a nice cheap option to go for that still gets the job done. The next on my list is the Esteline, either the Esteline niacinamide, the Esteline collagen, or the Esteline hyaluronic acid serum. Whichever of them you want, collagen, niacinamide, or hyaluronic acid serum. That's for day use. That is your day serum. Yes, a serum that you apply on your face during the day. You either get the Esteline niacinamide, Esteline hyaluronic acid, or the Esteline collagen. Either of them work perfectly. Esteline products works nice and they are cost efficient. This is a budget friendly like recommendation, so get your pen and paper and put it down, because nobody is going to bring you this thing. Let me just basic. Nobody is gonna tell you this beautiful, like, the way I incorporated this routine now. Nobody's going to give it to you. So the Esteline niacinamide or hyaluronic or collagen serum works perfectly. Either of them, incorporate them into your routine. Okay. Then for face moisturizer, I would be recommending the simple face moisturizer or aloe vera gel. You heard me right. Look at my skin. Forget this breakout that I'm breaking out, but look at my skin. I use aloe vera gel on my skin. Yes, I use it during the day because I am prone to breakouts, and really, I really want something lightweight. Aloe vera gel gets the job done for me, and I love it. Okay, so aloe vera gel is nice. You can use it as your face moisturizer during the day, and even at night you can rub it. It's very nice. It's good for redness, sunburn, all those things. It works. It's a nice moisturizer, and it helps to hydrate your skin. And I cannot emphasize more on hydration, can I? Yes, hydration plays a huge role in skincare routine. So either simple moisturizer or aloe vera gel. These are products that are very cost efficient. They don't cost much. I'm not going to be listing out prices because I can't say this particular price. Tomorrow you see this particular price, so that you don't use my video to go and give another friend or headache. No, prices are not fixed, but what I can tell you is that these products are cheap and they work. Okay, yes. So the next product on my list is the Esteline sunscreen. You need a sunscreen, baby. The next product on my list is the Esteline sunscreen. It's cheap and price efficient. If you can't get the Esteline sunscreen, you get the Dr. Rachel sunscreen. Either of these sunscreens work wonders. I love them. Chef kiss. Yes, and they're cheap and they work. Contrary to any popular opinion, this sunscreen works. Just focus on reapplying, and you understand, reapplying during the day, and to get the job done. Apply it, massage it into your skin very well, it get the job done. So for our night cream, remember that we're on a budget friendly routine. Yes, our night cream is the Dr. Rachel Skin White Cream face cream. Yes, it contains abutine and it contains niacinamide. It is good, it is efficient, it brightens the skin, and it is cost friendly. So yes, this works. The Dr. Rachel white skin face cream works. So get your hands on it as your night cream. The next on my list for our body lotion is the Nivea vitamin C body lotion. I love this lotion well because it is good. If you have spots on your body, this lotion will help clear it, and or just make sure that you're consistent with your scrub with this lotion, and you apply a good amount of this lotion on your skin, and you will thank me later. This is our brightening set, and this set is a choke. Okay, make sure that you use this product judiciously and you will see results. I'm not even lying, these products work and they are super efficient and effective and cost friendly. So for our face, let me just list the face product and then the body product. For our face products, our face soap is the turmeric and honey soap. Our face toner is the Vit Gold toner. Either of them, perfect. Either of them, whichever one the ingredient speaks to you, use it. The face serum next is the Esteline niacinamide or collagen or hyaluronic acid serum for face during the day. And then our moisturizer during the day is the simple moisturizer or aloe vera gel, and our sunscreen during the day is the Esteline sunscreen or Dr. Rachel sunscreen. Then for our body, we use our soap, the face soap, for the body too. So our body is turmeric and honey soap. You can use it for your body. Then our body scrub is the cool spa body scrub. I'm begging you, don't go for only the turmeric body scrub. The turmeric body scrub works, but the other cool spa scrub works. Stop limiting yourself to just a particular product and embrace versatility. It works. Either of them work perfectly. Okay, yes. So the Cool Spa body scrub, and then for our body lotion is the Nivea vitamin C body lotion. I hope that this has helped you to write down, because tomorrow I want to see people in the market buying these products. They would work. Just be consistent. Make sure you scrub a lot. Make sure you use your don't scrub a lot. Ejo, Emma Binu, 3 times a week before you go and be scrubbing 7 days a week. Hey, 3 times a week is okay for your body. Okay, just make sure you scrub well and you're consistent. You use your product judiciously, and this will brighten you. This set is cheap and it's effective and it's cost friendly. I know the economy is not smiling, but baby, you cannot look like your problems. So make sure you get your skin right. The last tip is drink water. Drink water and stay hydrated. The human body consists of 70% liquid, so make sure that you drink water, because the first place that lack of water starts to show is on your skin and your lips. So make sure you stay hydrated, okay, so that whatever you're using can work. Make sure that your skin, receives all the nutrients they are supposed to get. This is a cheap skincare routine for brightening, so make sure that you use them. And if you use them, please come back to this video and tell me the goodness that you experience. I'll be waiting for it. So if you've gotten to this part of this video, oh god, you deserve flowers, you deserve roses. I love you so much. Thank you for being so consistent. Thank you for your love, your care. If you have used any of these products, please comment below and let me know how they worked, and if you'll be using this, comment below, let me know. Okay, let me put you on, let us be drawing ourselves like this, because this skincare thing is me and you, and I'm here for you. I'm your girl here. Okay, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on your post notification button. Make sure that you inform your friends that I posted the video and they need to see it, because I'm helping you to save your pennies, baby. Save your money, save your coins on skincare. This works and is super effective. Make sure that you drop your review and comment. Thank you so much. I love you. Bye.